We have a parcel to unbox. I'm not going to be talking too much. These parcels are from Temu. Let's just dive right into it. And I'm also going to be filming for my Instagram, so I'm going to be careful with the way I open up the package bag. And yes, if you are seeing this page for the first time, please kindly hit on the subscribe icon, click on that post notification to keep you updated, like, share, and comment. And if you enjoy watching unboxing video, this video is definitely for you. So let's dive right into it. I'll be kind of fast, okay? So the first thing we are going to be unboxing, we are going to be, opening is this gym wear. This is a gym tight. How many did I order? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how it's looking. Yeah. Another thing we are going to be unboxing is this is. I thought this tripod was big though. I thought it was a big tripod. This is how it's looking. Oh my god. A mini tripod. I thought it was a big tripod, but it is what it is. Let's put this here. And what else do we have here? I don't know what is inside this place, but we gotta open it up. Okay. Oh, this is what is it called, for my toilet? Fragrance for my toilet. So this is how this one is looking right here. Okay. What is this? Yeah, this little thing. What is this? Oh, this is my, what is it called, camera lens. Don't know if you guys can see it. I misplaced my camera wide angle, my DJI camera lens wide angle in Benin. So I have to like order for another one. So this is it right here. You see? So let's keep this aside. I was like, what did I order again? What did I order? Oh, this is my bedroom fragrance. Order. Okay. Now when I wanted to, get my iPad, I was looking for stylus pen. So, but when the day I went to buy my iPad, I just bought the Apple what's it called, pen along with it. So this one I'm going to be trying it out if it's going to work with my iPad Pro M4. So this is how it's looking. So this is how this one is looking here. Only because this is the pen right here. So let's set this aside and open another one. My camera is about to fill up. So we have this right here. This one is for what is it called, mopping. Yeah, this one is for mopping. You put this inside the water to mop. This is it's soap and it also smells nice. This one is for the WC. You put it inside the toilet and flush out. While the other one is for floor mopping. Yeah. So what else do we have? I'm just trying to what is this? Original accessories. Okay, let me open it up and see what is inside this place, because I ordered two lens for my camera, the micro lens and the wide angle lens. Oh, this one is for, what is it called? The other day I bought mic, like this mic from Temu. It was type C. So imagine if I had this, I would have just removed this, iPhone port. Is it port, whatever it's called? I don't know, guys. Yeah, I'm confused right now. So this is how this one is looking. I can just plug this and we are good to go to start filming. So reason why I ordered this particular thing right here, it has different mounts of charging your phone. Is that statement even correct, guys? Bear with me. At this point I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm confused. Okay, this is oil perfume I also bought. Let me remove one for you. So this black opium perfume oil. I ordered this. So I pray it smells nice. Although the review said the perfume oil smells nice, so I'm going to be trying it. If it smells nice, by the time I'm editing this video, I'm going to say yes, it smells nice. Okay. So now, what else do we have here? Oh, this is for my little one. You know, this what is it called? Writing tablets. Okay, right here. Comes with a pen. Let me even see if he's going to write. Okay, this is how it's looking. So you write. I don't know if you guys can see the A I wrote. Instead of your kids using paper like book, just buy them this. This is ear pod. So I ordered this for my junior sister. So this is my dental floss. I also ordered this one. This is Jamaica black castor oil. I ordered this too. I don't know if you guys can see it. And what else do we have here? This is a vacuum flask set. See how it comes. So let's unbox it. So this is how it's looking inside. It has you see. Let me remove this one so that you guys will see it properly. This is how this one is looking. Vacuum. So you open, you push. So we're going to put this one right here, like so. So where the so I'm going. This belongs to my sister though. Okay, this is another lens I bought for my DJI camera. I think this one is the micro or wide angle lens. You guys, you know I opened the first one before. So okay, this one is the wide angle lens. Let me remove it for you guys to see. Yeah. I think this one is the micro. This one is, look at, and be careful. So this is how this headset is looking. Looks cute. Yeah, this is it. This is the second package. I think this packet contains my iPad accessories. Okay, it contains my iPad accessories. So first of all, we have this iPad bag. Did it come with this or what? We have this iPad bag. Oh my god, I love it. So let's open it up and see. So I really need to protect my assets. So this is how it's looking inside. Yeah, let's so we also have this silicone iPad pencil cover. Is it cover? Whatever it's called. To avoid stain and dirt. Okay, so this is it. And we also have okay, this I think this one is my screen protector for my either iPhone 30 Pro Max or iPhone 11. So I don't want to open it. This one also, okay, this one is for my iPhone 11. Yeah, is it written here? My iPhone 11 case. So this parcel here is mostly for my iPhone and all. So this one also, okay, what is this? What is this? I think this one is oh, okay, this one is for my 13 Pro Max. Let's open it. Okay, the way they package it, and I give them hand. So yeah, this is for my 13 Pro Max. This is the screen protector for my 13 Pro Max. So this one is for my 11. I love the way they package it. This is my case for iPhone 13 Pro Max. I love it. Okay, I also ordered this floss. I didn't know I ordered it in my first package. I ordered this floss. This is I think this is my iPad pouch. Let me open it for you guys to see. This is my iPad pouch. Yeah, this is the pouch. See how it's looking. Just love the design. The last thing we have here, I just love the way they have to like protect this screen protector for my iPad. But before we open this, I think we have another thing here. Okay, it's finished. So this one is what is this? Let me open it. Ah, need to be careful. Oh, this is the pencil cover. I made sure I ordered everything because the amount I use in buying that iPad and the Apple Pencil Pro, is that what it's called? It's a lot. So this one is for my charger. Here comes the screen protector. The screen protector. Remove it from here. So this is how it comes. Oh, so they have to put this bubble wrap to protect it. And what is this? This one is a screen protector accessories. Okay, like what you use in cleaning. Screen protector accessories. So this is the screen protector, guys. I bought two. So this one is so easy to fix. If you are a beginner, 30-second installation time. You can see here. If you are a beginner, you want to fix your screen yourself on either your phone, your whatever, this one is for you. You can see the instruction is here, the picture, the image instruction is here. So it's so simple. So I ordered two. Should in case the other one is broken, I can just put the other one. So let's put it back. My camera just off on me. So yeah, I don't know where I even stop, but it is what it is. So this is the screen protector. I'm going to be putting, I don't know if I should unbox this one on this video. Maybe I'll just unbox it for my Instagram, then I'll insert the clip on this particular video. Okay, so yeah, we have come to the end of today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and it's about to rain. The cloud is changing right now, so the video quality, the brightness of this video is going to dim, or is going to come down a little bit, but I'm going to do my work on it. So yeah, we have come to the end of today's unboxing. I hope you enjoy it. If yes, please kindly hit on that subscribe button, click on that notification to keep you updated, like, share, and comment. See you on my next video. Bye.